What's up, Broadway peeps? Name and Lights coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review about the Sony a6400 18 to 135 millimeter combo lens kit. So, I would totally recommend this camera to anyone who is thinking about buying a camera. I'm using this camera right now, and how great does it look? So, this is the first hand view of what you are seeing right now. So if you are interested in learning more about this camera, then keep on watching. The Sony camera has an APS-C 24.2 megapixel size sensor. This is a great option if you are going to be displaying your work, but it is not the best option if you are wanting to showcase your work on a big billboard. You will want a higher megapixel amount to do things like that, but it is a great option if you're going to print out your work. The ISO range can vary from 100 to 3200. This is a great option if you want to do nighttime photography and videography. If you have a low f-stop amount like 1.4 or 1.8 f-stop, then you can do astrophotography with this camera. A lot of the times, if you want to do astrophotography, you have to have very, very, very expensive cameras to do that. And now astrophotography and videography is right at your fingertips. The camera has 425 phase detection autofocus points, and this can make sure everything in your videos or photos are in focus. This is a great thing to have in post because then you don't have to worry about anything being out of focus. You have real-time autofocus in humans only, and you can actually touch the screen and choose what you want to be in focus at that time. Your camera has an Exmor CMOS sensor and a Bionz X Intel processor. You also have 4K up to 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 120 frames. Your camera has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which can help out with pairing your camera with your device like your phone or computer. You have a flip-up screen, which is great for vlogging and taking portraits of yourself. I love the flip-up screen, and a lot of people love it as well. You could also use the viewfinder, which you can just go back and forth. I all the time like to just use the flip-up screen because it is a fast and easy option. On the front of your camera body, you can attach E-mount lenses. E-mount lenses is just the type of lens that you have to attach. If you don't have E-mount, then you cannot attach those lenses to the camera, but a lot of other brands have E-mount lenses, and all of the lenses by Sony are E-mount. So if you buy one lens for an APS-C camera, you can also use it on your full frame camera as well. OSS also stands for Optical Steady Shot. You can program certain buttons such as the C1 and C2 buttons, so you can have quick and easy ways to go back and forth between different types of shooting. You can choose one to shoot time lapse, and you can shoot another so you can just take photos, even though you're on the video option. Out of the box, you cannot charge your batteries separately. You have to get a little adapter for the battery, but that costs a little bit of money, which it is a good investment. So if you later on want to get more batteries, that is a great option. But you can still charge your batteries through the camera body, which that's what I'm using right now, and it works perfectly for me. On the side of your camera, you have an HDMI, a mic jack input, not output, and a multi-port, which is used for charging your camera. The camera comes with an MP FW50 battery, which that is the only battery that you can use. The battery does not come with much time to shoot or time to make photos. So having an extra battery on hand is an amazing thing to have. So if you would like to see me unbox the camera, then keep on watching, and thank you to my sister Sparkling Lights for being the cameraman of the day. So now I'm going to open up the Sony a6400 18 to 135 millimeter lens. So let's get So when I first open the box, I will find my manuals and all my warranties. So let's set that to the side. Then I lift up lens cup. This is the 18 to 135 millimeter lens. So smooth. So it says Sony Alpha. So this is a micro USB cord to a USB binder cup. Put it back in the brick. It has reasonable battery life. So next, I'm going to show you some test footage of myself trying this out. If you enjoyed this video, then click right here to watch another video just like this, and click right here to watch another one of my awesome videos. And have you subscribed yet? Then click right here and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified every time I make a new video.